Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of the weekend edition. Weekend edition of Saturday, Sunday, August the 31st, September the 1st, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 star Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cyberblock, in Japanese Suguru, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this afternoon. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. And besides, in the evening we have a samurai Sudoku, and a samurai Sudoku it will take me more than an hour to solve. So there's a lot of puzzles for a day. Alright, first one, the 3 Stars Sudoku number 9188. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a lot. Cannot believe this. 30 printed digits. 30. Usually the 3 stars has 25. This one is 30. So I don't think it's a 0. Don't think it's a 3 stars. Whether it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars a puzzle, I need 14, maybe 13 minutes, or maybe it's a 1 star. 1 star. Need to be faster than 15 minutes. Question is this a 0 stars, a 1 star, or 3 stars? If it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. Yeah. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. There's a lot of 8s. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the second row, so the first row. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so the first column. Only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in a row above, so that row. Only 3 places left of the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this last column, no 3 there. 3 in column next, no 3 there. The only place left of the 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left of the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Alright. Need a 1 here. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have 1. 1 in the middle row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7. 1, 1, need a 1 here. Need a 1 there. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this first row. One of the missing numbers 1. We have a 1 in this big square, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 1, 1, okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column. First column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in the middle row, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 2 in this middle row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place left, the 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing here. 2 numbers are left in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and a 7, 6 and a 7. We have 6 in the last column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 7 in the last column, 7 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left, the 7 should be here, here, or there. We have 7 in this row, no 7 there. We have 7 in that row, no 7 there. The only place left, the 7 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So last column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Okay, and now, need a 7 here. Yeah. Come on. 6, need a 6 there, need a 6 here. How about 1, 7. No. Need a 1 here. But the 9 then. Now I'm thinking. Now I need to think too. Come on. 2. Need a 2 here. 2. Need a 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Need a 5. Need a 6. 5, 6, 8. Need a 9. Come on, it's taking too long. Taking too long. Well, let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. 1, 3, 8. Need a 5 here. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there in the first row. Here or there, we see another 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And we have a pair here, the 1 and the 5 in the last column, the 1 and the 5 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 2 numbers left now in this column for numbers 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. It means 1 digit left in this column for number, I believe the 2, yeah. 1, the 2 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 4 and 9. Let me mark those. Okay. Then. Need a 1 here. Come on. Can be 1. Need a 1 here or there. I need also a 1 here. And the 1 here. Do we have all? Yeah, we have all the 8s. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 here also. I'm thinking 4 and a 9. 4, 9, and need a 2 here. Yeah. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. So here are 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 9. Here also 4 and the 9. Here we have a pair. 4 and the 9, okay. That means the other 3 missing numbers should be the 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and 5. And the 6 is missing, 1, 5, 6. We have 6 here. Hmm. 6 and a 5 here. We have a 1 here. 1, 5, 6. 1, 5, 6. We have a 6 here, 1, 5. Well, 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 well. 7. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3. Need a 4 here. Need a 5 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Let me think, let me think. I'm stuck here, I'm stuck. 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left is 7, could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left is 7, could be here, could be there. 6, 6. Well, in this big square, we need a 6. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left is 6. Could be here, could be there. Have a 6, 6, 5, and the 9 is missing. Come on. Come on, come on. Only 1 9 here. 9. What the fuck? 1, 5, 7, and the 9. 1, 5, 7, and 4. Need a 4 here. 4, 4. Need a 4 here. Yeah, give me 4. 4, 4, 4. Hi. In this column, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4, 4, 4. Come on. 8, 7. Need a 5. 5 could be there. No 5 here. How about a 2 then? 2, 2. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left. 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column. 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left with the 2 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So the other pair in this column should be the 6 and the 5. So the other pair in this big square other numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now here. I believe the 5, 5. Need a 5 there. 5 and a 6. 2 and a 7. So the other last pair is the 1, the 2, no, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9. Okay. Then here 1 and a 5 are missing. So here we have a pair 1 and a 5. So the other pair in this column should be this. I need a 9. There's 7 and a 9 here. So this can be 9 anymore. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes. Here 1 and a 5. So this box should be a 4 then. And that box should be a 9 then. 1 box left in this column for number 4 then. 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the second row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 and a 7. We have a 9 in the second row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 and a 7. We have 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 2 in the second row, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 5 and a 6, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. And the last two numbers in this big row are the numbers. The 1 is missing, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, we go down. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 now in this column, so this box should be a 9. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now, so this box should be a 4. 4 or 9, we have a 4 in the last column, so this box should be a 9. Then 1 and a 5, we have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 over 5, we have a 1 in the last row, so this box should be a 5. 1 over 5 in this column, we have a 5 here, so this box should be a 1. So here's 6 and a 5, we have a 5 in the middle column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 6. And the final number in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 16 minutes. Well, I thought maybe it was a 0 stars. No. 1 star. No. Let me give this 2 stars. Yeah, having troubles, but we solve it again. Solve again. Not the 4 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in a minute with the other puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.